A computer science student at Stanford University named Brian Chang had a smart thought. He was curious to see if ChatGPT, a computer program that uses artificial intelligence to understand and use language, could make people's conversations better. So, using a special eyeglass that can show computer images and his laptop, he started a project. Chang worked together with his friends to create RizzGPT, a single-lens eyeglass that uses artificial intelligence. The single-lens eyeglass, made by Brilliant Labs, had a camera, a microphone, and a small screen inside. When someone talked to the person wearing the eyeglass, RizzGPT recorded what was said through the microphone, changed it into written words, and sent it to ChatGPT using internet. ChatGPT then made a reply that showed up on the small screen inside the eyeglass. RizzGPT basically uses AI to help you be charming whenever you need it, said Chang. It listens to the conversation you're having and tells you exactly what you should say next. During a show and tell, Chang was asked what his biggest fault was. After waiting a bit, he read the answer from the eyeglass. "I think my biggest fault is that I can be too strict with myself sometimes. I'm always trying to do my best and sometimes I can tire myself out too much." The first model of the eyeglass had some problems. The pause before answering and the response itself didn't feel natural or charming. But, Chang stressed that it showed what could be possible with this kind of technology. He imagined a future where fast internet, glasses that can show computer images, and artificial intelligence come together to create a new, more natural way of talking with computers. Chang didn't want to get rid of human conversation, but rather to help people with their chats. He thought that RizzGPT could be very useful for people who have a hard time with social situations or find it tough to talk to others. With RizzGPT, Chang wanted to completely change how we talk to each other. By mixing artificial intelligence with computer images that can appear in the real world, he wanted to make conversations better and give help where it was needed the most. The mix of new and creative equipment, smart computer programs, and smooth internet connections could help start a new period of how humans and computers interact with each other. So, to sum it up, Brian Chang, a student from Stanford University, started a project using artificial intelligence and a special eyeglass called RizzGPT to help improve how people communicate. Even though it had some problems in the beginning, it showed what could be possible with this technology. Chang hoped that this would help people who struggle with social situations and could completely change the way we talk to each other. The project mixes new equipment, smart computer programs, and good internet connections, and this combination could start a new era of interaction between humans and computers. Please let me know in the comments down below. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. Thank you for watching.